This is Biotronix Focus Shockwave Therapy device. This is not radial therapy. This is focus shockwave therapy. So, like I will tell you the difference between radial and focus, and I will tell you radial shockwave is like when the bullet is traveling from one end to other and it strike and it generates the shockwave. And that shockwave travel like the coil and keep on losing the energy and intensity is the same. So radial shockwave is something circumferential. As soon as it travels, it keep on radiating and losing the energy. So not the 100% energy is delivered to the point. It is more skin oriented, then it travels to the target and a lot of energy got wasted. But while in the focus shockwave, it is focus shockwave to the point. It delivers almost 95 to 100% energy to the point where it is focused. So focus shockwave will provide you the focus output energy where 95 to 100% energy will be delivered to that point. So that is why focus shockwave is more effective than the radial shockwave. The result you are getting in the focus shockwave in one day, you will get the same in the 4 to 5 days in the radial shockwave. So that is why the focus shockwave is very innovative and very result oriented in the physiotherapy field and rehabilitation. So now I will show you the device. This is how the device looks like that. Currently, this is the touchscreen model. It is having the like a film of the polythene on the same. So that is why you are looking like this. Once the same will be removed, you will be getting the clear area. And this is how device looks like that. The premium quality device you can see. I have already connected the electrode from the back side, and I have already filled the water inside the water bottle. The principle of the device is that it is using two coil and hydro energy, the water we have put in the same, electromagnetic energy, and they are producing focus shockwave. They don't have any bullet which has to travel from here to there and strikes the surface. It is generated inside that circuit, inside that heavy coils and water and electromagnetic power, and it is generating the focus shockwave, and the focus shockwave is traveling in the focus way, and it is providing the 100% energy to that point. That is why it is very effective rather than radial shockwave. So that was the difference between radial shockwave and focus shockwave, and I told you how focus shockwave is better, much better than the radial one. So now I will show you the demo of the device by operating the same. I switch it on from the back side. You can see I have switched it on. The welcome screen is there, and you can see within few seconds you can see Biotronix Solution Forever. This is imported by Biotronix Solution Forever. So now it will come to the main screen, and before the main screen comes, I tell you this is the applicator. This is the physiotherapy applicator. You can see the quality of the product. You can see this is the physiotherapy applicator, quite long length, and this is the button of the same, and this is the stand. You can see this is a magnetic stand. You can put anywhere on the upper side. This is quite strong magnetic. So you can see now I am putting over here and placing the electrode. So it is having an ID written on the same. The ID is required to activate that handle. If you want to use the physiotherapy handle, you need to put the physiotherapy ID one. If you want to use for the ED, you need to put the ED one. I will show you the ED one is the optional one, and I will show this is the ED electrode. You can see this is the back side of the same, and this is the front side. So this is the ED handle for the ED, and you can see there is a code written over here also, and that code if you will put, you can use the same for ED. So now I will show you the demo of the device, and I can see the ID 2523 2599. When I put the same, I press OK, I will enter it to the interface, and the same head is now activated. So this is the first part where you can create the profile. performance, every activity you will do in that profile, it will be shown over here. Like in the user one, the energy is like this, and in the guest mode, the energy delivered is like this. So how many times, 6 minutes 40 seconds I have used, and like this. So I can create more ID in the same by clicking the same, name the same, in age, then sex, male or female, then add the same. So now I am showing you the demo in the guest mode. So when I select the guest mode, like guest mode selected, now I go to that interface. Now you can see neck, shoulder, back, buttock, elbow, wrist, hand, knee, leg, ankle, foot, and ED, and fat accumulation. So these are the already presetted protocols which I can use for various joints while using the shock. Before starting the same and showing the same to you, I show you the bubble removal process. This is the water is filled inside the same when the focus shockwave start operating. So we have to make it very clear that there is no bubble seen inside the same. So when I go to the help mode and where the remove bubbles option, it will keep on removing the bubbles for the 5 minutes. You can see in the diagram the bubble is going up, there is an arrow over here, and at that arrow, when you keep the bubble to that arrow will be, the bubble will keep on moving that arrow, and once it reaches there, it will be removed. So currently I can't see any bubble while water filling, but I still showing you the process. You keep on if you have some bubble over here or over here, you have to move the handle, you have to keep the handle like this, so that the bubble can be moved to the arrow over here. This is the arrow, you can see this is the arrow, and when the bubble will move from here to here, it will be taken out. So 5-minute process is this, and as there is no bubble in the same, so I will move to the other level. Now I will exit the same and I will go back, and you see, now I will show you the demo of the device. I am using the same on my hand, so I am selecting hand. I'm selecting hand. Now here you can see the recommendation is there. Intensity 3, frequency 90, number of shockwave 1000, and application every 10 days. So session, so recommendation is there in the program which you select. Like you select the knee program, the recommendation is there. You select the hand program, the recommendation is there. I will show you. If I select the back program, the recommendation is there. Like you can see the intensity as 5, and other number of shots is changed, frequency is changed. And if I go back and if I select the foot, the recommendation is this. So all the presetted recommendation is there with the joint you select. But if still you want to change the same and you want to increase or decrease the same, you can do it. So I'm selecting the hand. You can see the recommendation 390. 3 is the intensity you need to put. Frequency 90 hertz. Frequency PRF 90, and then the shot is 1000. So these are already recommended or shown over here and already presetted here. I am using the same to show you the demo, and then I will increase or decrease the same and show you the difference. So I need to press the same start button. You can see there is no bubble and water is totally filled up, and now I can from the standby mode to ready mode, and now these are the parameters that will be like if I will use the same. The energy I deliver to that area will be shown over here. The time will be shown over here, and the mode I have selected is getting shown in the here. Because I have selected R7 mode, which is hand. So now I will start the same, and you will look. Like if I put the same over here, you can see this is green now, and I am getting the shot. So I am getting the shot. Shots is being calculated over here. You can see this is the 3 intensity only, and I am getting quite effective shot. And now I will show you I will increase the intensity. Now, you can see N is the number of shot actually I have got, which is getting added up. Energy is getting in the millijoule counted up. And time is the 33 seconds I have been using the same, and mode is this one. So now I will increase the intensity and you will see the change. One by slowly. In the 5, I am getting quite enough focused shockwave in the inner part of that area that I am using, and I am actually feeling the same. But this is the 5 only. I will increase a little bit more, and 6, 7. I am getting quite enough. Wait for a while. 8 is quite enough for me. I am getting the best in the same. While I can go up to 1 to 15 intensity level, I can go up to 1 to 15. So I can't tolerate the same on my hand because this is a focused shockwave. And now I will I will show you the frequency by decreasing the frequency and increasing the frequency. First decrease the frequency, 16. You can see already at the minimum level. So frequency and intensity, they will keep on increasing or decreasing accordingly. Like if I increase the intensity, so already frequency is decreased. But if I increase the frequency, 60, more, you can see the intensity has been increasing the intensity. As soon as I increase the intensity, the frequency will get decreased because they are adjusting according to the patient. Because when I am increasing the intensity too much, the frequency will get a little bit lower. So this is how the intensity and frequency vary according to the same. So right now I am getting very effective focused shockwave on the hand area, and this is the intensity 10. I can go up to 15, but I can't tolerate behind the same. So you can see number of shots are also getting calculated. Slightly decrease the intensity because it is quite higher. Yeah, that is enough for me. And this is you can see the frequency change. I have made the same to 180. 30 to 180 in the multiple of 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. The frequency will vary according to the intensity also, because when you are increasing the intensity to that maximum value, it will get the change. So I am getting the quite effective focused shockwave inside, and I am feeling the same inside my hand. And these are the calculated actual. And 1000 I have said. When the 1000 will be over, it will be treatment will be stopped, and or I can stop the same in between by pressing this button. So I press this button, and I am getting the quite effective focus shockwave on my hand, and I can feel it. I can feel it on my hand. That is why I am giving that expression. Because this is focus shockwave. This is not the radial shockwave. Because this is focus shockwave, I am getting the same inside the deeper part of my hand. And this is the depth section. You can increase or decrease the same up to 1 to 5 level. So the more the depth you will select in the number, the lesser the output will become. So minimum will be the depth, the more the output, and as soon as you will increase the depth, the lesser will be the output you will see. So this is the principle of the same. And one more thing is there, that it is not having any bullet. You can see no bullet consumption, nothing is there. They are using the water as a source, and there are two bigger coils in the same, and they are transferring that focus energy to the patient. So no bullet consumption, no requirement of bullet using up and then changing the same, and then 2 to 3 lakh shots. After 2 to 3 lakh shots, you have to keep on changing the same in the radium. So no bullet used up consumer. You can use the device without any such issue and all those, because there is no bullet involved. You have to just keep on changing the water. Once the water will be consumed up, you need to change the water. That's all you need to do, and keep on using the same. but quite should make sure that you remove the bubble. That process I have told to you, bubble should not be there in the same. So if the bubble is there, you keep on moving the same, select the bubble remover. Once the bubble will reach there in the bubble removal process, it will be removed. So that was the demo of the device, and you have seen I have got 5795.6 millijoule energy with 413 shots, and I have selected 1000 shots, but I stopped the same in between. And 413 shots is shown over here, and I have used the same for 3 minutes 35 seconds. And R7 is the mode for hand I have selected. So this is the demo of this thing, and you can see if I need to press the same in I don't need to complete the treatment, I need to stop the same in between. So I long press the same, and it will be now I can go to the other programs if I want. Like if I select the buttock, you can see the intensity over here is high because buttock area is quite strong in the same and having the fatty tissue also. So this is the energy recommendation, and the shots recommendation 25 ml. So likewise you select the same, and then you, this is if you again want to see that recommendation section, it will be closed automatically, but if you want to see again, you need to press this one, and everything will be shown over there. You can see intensity, you can see frequency, you can see shock waves recommended, you can see once every 2 weeks for the buttock, and session 3 to 4. So every recommendation is there, so don't need to keep the thing that you are new to the shock wave and you want how to use the same and you don't know how to. Every recommendation for every part is there, but doctor can vary the same according to their patient need or their examination and everything according to the report and the patient interest. So you can see this is the complete demo of the device I have told you, and the profile setting, all programs, then I have operated the same, and this is, you can see, this is the help section where I shown you the bubble removing process and all, and these are some settings that is quite obvious, that language you can say, you can Wi-Fi. This device is connected to Wi-Fi. You can see I have already started the same and connected the same to the Wi-Fi. You can see the symbol over here. So the device can update the software also once the update is available. And about the same, you can see that device model name is this, and everything, all the details are there in the same, the version and everything. So the IP address also, and the LAN it is using. So this is the complete demo of the device. I hope I have explained everything, why focus shockwave is better than much better than the radial one, and why this technology work very effectively, because it works on the focus, on all the delivering energy to the focus point. So when the energy get delivered to that point, micro trauma and all is created, and the body reaction is created, so that the body can recover itself in the very faster way, and that is why it is effective. So I have already given you the demo, everything, bubble removing process, and I have shown you the parameters also. Energy intensity you can vary from 1 to 15, and frequency you can vary from 30 to 180 in the multiple of 30, and all the recommendations are there over here, you can see, but you can vary the same accordingly. And number of shots you can vary from 500 to 5000. So there is no limitation in the same, like bullet will consume up, then you need to replace the bullet with the new one and purchase the same and replace the same. So there is no limitation like this, only water thing is used. So hope the video is quite informative for you. And Biotronix Care International, we are the importer of the same, and you can get the device from us. You can contact us, you can write in the comment section, you can contact our sales team, you can WhatsApp us, you can call us, our sales team will get back to you, or you can visit our website, the same is available on our website too. And keep on sharing the informational video, and do subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.